Hello students, this is page 22. This is the worksheet from the second chapter of your book. So today I am going to discuss the answers with you. In number 1 you have some fill in the blanks questions. The dash is a long horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. So all of you know this answer. You have watched a lot of videos on this horizontal bar. This is the taskbar. By default it is present at the bottom, and we have also learned that we can change the position of the taskbar. Number B, the dash button is present at the left corner of the taskbar. So at the leftmost corner of the taskbar we have the start button. We have seen this also in the videos. The background picture of the desktop is called wallpaper. All of you know this. The dash bar helps us search anything on the computer or the internet. So this is the search bar. You have also experienced a search bar in your Android phone while using YouTube videos. While searching for YouTube videos, you have also used search bar in your Google search also. So these answers are very simple. If you understand the statement, the answers will be so easy for you to do. Moving to number 2, we have some statement. Read the statement and tick the correct options. We have to tick that the statements given are true or false. So the computer cannot work without an operating system. This is the first statement given, and this is a true statement. To let the hardware work, we need an operating system, and we have learned about this in the earlier chapter also. Number B, the taskbar can be moved to any side of the desktop. This also I have shown you in the live class. I have also made a video to show you this. We cannot change the desktop background on the computer. So this is completely a false statement, because this also I have shown you that how to change the desktop background, that is how to change the wallpaper. Desktop background means wallpaper, and how to change the wallpaper I have shown you these things. Number D, the notification area is located at the bottom right corner of the desktop. So this is also a true statement. At the bottom right corner we have this notification area, and at the extreme right end we have the show desktop button. So this is also a true statement. In number 3, some fill in the blanks type is given. We have to write the missing letter. The first one will be wallpaper. I have written the spelling for you. Please check it from here that you have done it correctly or not. Number B is desktop, DESKTOP. And number 3 is taskbar, TASKBAR. Moving to number 4, label the parts of the taskbar in the image shown below. So the image of a taskbar is given, and you will label the parts. This one I have not marked in the book, because marking in the book and making videos from here may become untidy. So this is done given in this page 18 in your book. This is page 18 in your book. Over here you can see the picture of the taskbar is given, and all the 6 components are marked. So from here you can see the picture, and you can write the spellings if you have doubt with the spelling. Otherwise I know that all of you have been able to identify the components. For number 5, there are some question answers which I am not going to discuss now. I will give you some assignment questions, and then I will discuss the answers of the questions that will be required for the examination purpose. In number C, you can see again a crossword puzzle is given. Some points are given for the answers. These are across. Across means from left to right. Answers of number 3, number 7 and number 8 is given here, means the clue to form the answer of number 3, number 7 and number 8 across from left to right is given here, and this is down 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. This down 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6, you have to find the answer from this clue given. Now let us start reading the statement, and we will write the answers. The first one, down. means we have to find out where is number 1 given. Number 1 is given in this box. In this box you can see, children, number 1 is given, means the answer to this statement will be up down. It will be written in this way. It is the first screen that is displayed after switching on the computer. So the first screen that is displayed after switching on the computer is desktop, as we all know. The answer will be written here. In the first box, when number 1 is written, write D-E-S-K-T-O-P, desktop. It will be up down type. Like this you have to write the answer. This is the box marked number 1 and the answer will be written in this way. Let us move to number 2. It helps us to look for anything on the computer or internet. So this is the search box. Where is number 2 marked? Number 2 is marked in this box. So mark it like this, S-E-A-R-C-H, then leave a blank box in between, because these are two different words, and then B-O-X, box. Search box are two different words, so a blank, a space should be given in between. Number 4, up down, it is used to perform a particular action. So this is number 4, up down. It is button. Every button has a particular action, so it will be button, B-U-T-T-O-N, button. Number 5, the horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Again we know it is the taskbar, and this one is number 5, T-A-S-K-B-A-R, taskbar. Number 6, the box that appear on the desktop when you start a program or application. Number 6 is this one, window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window. Window is the box that appear on the desktop when we start any particular program or application. Okay. Now moving to across. Number 3, it is the background picture of the desktop, that is wallpaper. So number 3 is marked in this box. This means the first block will be left blank. Number 3 is written in this box, so start writing the answer from this box. Don't write the answer in the first box. W-A-L-L-P-A-P-E-R. Now while writing this, you will see that this P from top will be written already. When you have written desktop, you have got this P already. When you have written search box, this A you have got already. So you will write W in this box, W-A-L-P-E-P-A-P-E-R, wallpaper. Okay. Number 7, it helps users view open windows and easily switch between open windows to close them. So number 7 will be this one, task view. The box in middle will be left blank, task view, T-A-S-K, task, V-I-E-W, view. The flashlight is reflecting the writings because it is written in pencil. Number 8, the small pictures that you see on the screen are called icons. So number 8, it is written here, icon. So this is all about the worksheet of the second chapter. I will give you an assignment also on this chapter, and we will discuss the answers of the assignment later on. First you have to try solving it yourself. Thank you, students.